let's talk about test-driven development and behavior-driven development. In this section, I'll also talk about what is behavior-driven development and how to write tests using BDD approach. I'm going to teach you what is TDD and how to write unit test using TDD. So let's talk about what is TDD, what are the benefits of TDD, and how to implement TDD. If you are using TDD, first of all, you have to write the test that fails. Then you will write the enough code to pass the test, and then you will refactor your test case. I'll talk about the complex system of TDD. Now, maybe you have a question, why do I need TDD? These are all the benefits of TDD. If you are using TDD, you will know what you want from the code. Because first of all, you will write the test that fails. Then you will write the enough code to pass the test. You can get feedback very quickly. You can reduce time spent on rework. If you are using TDD, it means you are writing the test. So you don't need to spend a lot of time on debugging. The major benefits of TDD is you can identify the error or problem very quickly. If you're using TDD, you will focus on the one thing instead of thinking about all the test cases and all the features or scenarios. You can really improve the quality of your code. TDD also reduces some bugs because you will write the quality code by writing the test cases, and you will write more meaningful tests using TDD. Now you know what is TDD and why do we need TDD. And then let's talk about how to implement TDD. First of all, you will create the test, or you will add a test, and then you will write enough code to fail the test. Execute the test will be failed. And then you will make changes to your code to pass the test. And then you execute the test will be passed, and then you will refactor your code. So this is the complete process of TDD. First, you will write the test case, and then you will write enough code to pass the test, and then you will do some refactoring in your test case. So here is a cycle here. Write a test, make it run, and change the code to make it right, and repeat this process.